Aloha guys, Scuba Chris here. You know, for at least over 50 years, I've been collecting seashells. I've been doing that all my life. Seashells, something like this one here. So to measure it correctly, down to the slightest micrometer, you need a electronic caliper. Back in the day, we didn't have electronic calipers. We had plastic calipers. But nowadays, they're all electronic. See this? This is my digital vernier caliper from over 30 years ago. And it's worked so good until just in the last couple of weeks. Now, every time when I turn it on, let's see now. Yeah, when I turn it on, it automatically reads 0.5. It starts off on that. Now, that's not going to be accurate measurements because I'm trying to measure seashells. And being a collector, this is very important. So if I measure this like so, and I lock in that measurement, it's telling me it's 70.21 millimeters. Now, that may not be accurate because it's starting off the wrong place. So I decided to get a new one. Okay, so this is the new one I just got here. So we're going to put in the battery it came with. Then we're gonna put the little sliding door back in. See that? Like so. So remember we tried to measure this with this one here. You know, in the measurement, it's probably not gonna be accurate at 70.21. So we're gonna take the new one here, do the same thing. Take the two extreme measurements. And it's telling me, okay, I first gotta screw this down, lock it down on the top. So it's telling me it is 69.07. May not sound like much, but you know what? When you're doing things for electronics or natural pieces like this, you need to know the exact measurements, and a digital caliper will give you that. So it says here, millimeters to inches. You hit that, you can go back to inches, or hit it again, go to millimeters. This is the tightening control I just used, so you can tighten down the measurement so you won't loosen it up when you want to redo it. Right there is your on and off switch. Yellow is to zero it out, which means it's after you get the measurement, you press that and you all zero it out again. See this sliding hatch door? Push down on your thumb. Slide it out, exposes your battery. So that's the way you change your batteries. You slide it back in, done. Okay, say like you want to take the measurements of inside something, you use the top part here. See, I can take the measurements of inside this, or it can be what most plumbers use is a pipe. Screw it down, lock it down. Tells me I'm just a hair over 42 millimeters, so that's the correct way of using this. So on this here, you know, you turn it off, you turn it on, and every time it goes off and on, it'll go back to either inches or millimeters. See that? And as you can see, they really haven't improved too much on it. It's basically the same thing of over 30 years ago. Because once you get something down pat, why fix it, right? So there you go. Thank you.